Are you tired of chasing perfection and feeling like you are stuck in a never ending cycle of self criticism? Well, you are not alone. Let's talk about how to overcome perfectionism in just 1 minute. Perfectionism is like trying to catch a rainbow. You keep reaching for it, but it always seems just out of your grasp. But what if I told you that the pursuit of perfection is like chasing an elusive butterfly? It can leave you exhausted, frustrated, and missing out on the beauty all around you. Think of a puzzle. You don't start with every piece perfectly in place. You begin with a few, and little by little, the picture becomes clear. Life's just like that. Trust the process, knowing that progress is the real goal. If we wait for the perfect time to start or do something, we will never do anything. We will procrastinate and waste time. Here's your action plan. Replace perfect with progress. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small and learn from your mistakes. Share your journey with others because vulnerability can be empowering. Remember, perfectionism is a roadblock on your path to success and happiness. So release yourself from its grip and let your uniqueness shine. Welcome progress, not perfection, and watch how your life transforms. It's time to set yourself free. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we can break free from the chains of perfectionism and live our best lives. See you next time. Until then, thanks for watching. This is Rajiv Kumar Love.